Hey everyone, welcome to Cook With Me. Today I have a special guest in my kitchen with me. It is my husband.
Hey everyone.
Okay, so today we're going to be making a grilled cheese sandwich with bacon and tomato, and he's going to be doing it for us. So let's go. Here's what you're going to need. Some bacon. We are using Cooper Sharp cheese because we love it. Butter, tomato, and some bread of your choice. I picked up this bread at Trader Joe's the other day. It is so delicious.
Let's get that bacon cooking.
For the bacon, he sprinkled pepper, and then the other half is just plain. The bacon is done. We're just going to put it on to drain.
Let's assemble our sandwich. We're putting down some cheese, some bacon, and finally topping with some tomatoes. Now he's just sprinkling some salt and pepper on top of the tomatoes. Let's put more cheese on top, and this will act like glue with the second piece of bread. Butter the second slice of bread and put on top. Let cook on the first side for several minutes, then flip over. This was just a casual dinner, so we served it with some baby dill pickles and some chips.
Okay, Mason, let's give it a go. Definitely crunchy, huh?
Good.
Look at this. Look how oozy that is. Woo! Ready? Tomato coming out. That's really good. The bread is crunchy. It's so cheesy inside. And we got the bacon, the tomato. That's really good.
This was so delicious. If it's easier for you, you can just use a pan on the stove to make this. Thanks so much for watching. Leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. I look forward to the next video. Bye.